What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is KD3, aka PD, with the Unveiling, where we exchange beauty for ashes and where we always say so be so. Let's go. You know, trust is one of the hardest things to give and one of the easiest things to break. And when someone you cared about hurts you, whether they lied, cheated, played you, or just disappeared on you, it can make you feel like you'll never trust again. Trust. That's what we're dealing with today. Oh boy, here we go. But here's the truth. Heartbreak may in fact break your trust, but it doesn't have to break you. Heartbreak doesn't ever have to break me. It doesn't have to break us. You know, a lot of people come up to me and they're like, yo, bro, KD3, aka PD, why the heck do you do this? Well, the Unveiling is where we speak truth to a nation that needs it. It's where we take our mask off, drop the shame, and help you discover the strength beneath the struggle. Around here, we walk it like we talk it. Walk it like we talk it. Hey, walk it like we talk it. Walk it like we talk it. Today, we're talking about how to rebuild trust after the heartbreak. And not just trust in other people, but trust in yourself. Because heartbreak doesn't just make you question the people that hurt you, it also makes you question your judgment. It makes you question your worth and your ability to love again. If you've experienced a broken heart, you can love again. You can trust again. But it starts with forgiveness. I got about 3 things I want to share with you today. Are y'all ready? All right, let's go. Let's start with point number 1. Stop blaming yourself. Some of you, you're carrying the guilt of something that someone else did to you. You trusted with a pure heart, and they mishandled it. But guess what, guys? That's on them. It's not on you. Heartbreak has a really sneaky way of making you think that you're the problem. But never punish yourself for being loving. Don't punish yourself for being loyal. You're supposed to be loyal. Those aren't weaknesses. Those are strengths. Being loving, being loyal, being committed. That's not weakness, guys. And that is appropriate for a relationship that is committed. You didn't mess up. Somebody else mismanaged the gift you gave them. Just make sure you realize it is not your fault. Stop blaming yourself. All right, cool. Point number 2, trust isn't rebuilt all at once. It takes time. Trust is rebuilt in layers, not in leaps. A lot of people try to rush into another relationship so they can feel better. But trust doesn't just come back because somebody new showed up. It comes back when you or I finally take the time to slow down and heal. You don't want to be in a rebound relationship. You don't want to bounce back. You don't want to be hurt and you just need companionship so bad and you don't have anybody, so you just jump into a relationship. No, slow down, heal from that thing, and then start talking slowly to that new person. It takes time. Trust rebuilds like this. First, start trusting your own voice again. Realize that your voice, your intuition, your inner man is not inaccurate. It's not wrong. You just got to check it a few times. Don't just jump on the first time you hear your voice. Start trusting your voice again. Then start trusting boundaries. Start establishing those boundaries again. Put boundaries back up. This is what protects me. This is what I'm going to stay within until I learn how to come out safely. In fact, don't even come out. Stay in your boundaries. Let them love you in your boundaries. And then start trusting your decisions again. Guys, a lot of times it's not that we need accountability or mentorship for questions that we have, like, hey, should I paint the wall blue or green? What we need accountability for or mentorship for is to help make better decisions. One of the worst things you can do is do the same thing over and over, expecting different results. If you keep making decisions based on everything that you got going on in your head and you don't speak to people about it, you're going to keep coming up at the end with the same error, the same type of mistakes, the same conclusions. It's called insanity. That's what it's called, insanity, if you decide to do the same things over and over expecting different results. That's never going to happen. And now, after you've done those 3 things, learn how to trust your voice again. Learn how to trust your boundaries and learn how to trust your decisions once again. Then you can try trusting another person. Don't jump in too fast. Do those first 3 things first. Get comfortable with rebuilding that and then start trusting another person. But slowly, guys. Don't give too much too fast. If you're like me or like my wife, you love hard. And when you love hard, you tend to give yourself too fast, too quickly, and you give all of yourself away too much. Slow down. Let them wait, because love is patient. Love is kind. Love is pure. Love is all of these things. It's gentle. It's meek. And it puts other people first. So let them wait. And when you see that they authentically and genuinely want you to be first and want to see you prosper, then you start giving them a little bit more trust, a little bit at a time. Healing is not the finish line. It is a rhythm that takes you to the finish line. So don't think because you've healed, you can start running again. No, healing is the first step to crawling and then walking and then running. Heal first. Take your time to heal and then start trusting again, little by little. And when you find that person that through faith and through actions and through love, they can show you, not by words, but by action, show you that they're with you, maybe trot a little bit and then start running. Don't run too fast. Let them work for it. You're worth it. All right, great. Now, point number 3, watch their consistency, not their apology. You know, I don't even get mad at people that cheat on individuals anymore. I'm not even mad at those people anymore. If a cheater cheats on you, shame on that cheater. Kick that cheater to the curb. I get mad at the individuals that keep taking them back now. A cheater is a cheater, and that's what they do. So I'm not mad at them. I'm mad at you if you keep taking the cheater back. What are you doing? You're worth more than that. So never watch their apology. Look at their consistency and watch it consistency for a period of time. Give it time, consistency and time. Over a period of time, you'll be able to tell if this person is worthy of your trust again or worthy of your trust at all. When it comes to trusting a person again, look at consistency, not the conversation. A lot of us smooth talkers, you know what I'm saying? We know how to come up, girl, you so fine, man. I like your hair like that. I like the way you did that right there. I like that. You look fine. You fire. Good. You great. You groovy. You got me? Yeah, I got you. I got your back. We talk a lot of smack, guys. We're really good at it. And a lot of people, women and male, they're looking for companionship so much that they're willing to trust and give themselves away too fast only to get hurt. Don't watch the conversation. I think I'm hitting this point really hard. Don't just watch the conversation. Look at their actions and look at their consistency over a period of time. Because anybody can apologize and anybody can say, oh, I've changed. And way too many people say, oh, trust me. Because the people that are trustworthy never have to say, trust me. You just see it. Because trust is never about words. Trust is about patterns. Watch their patterns over a period of time. Trust me. Consistency is the real evidence. All right, guys, I changed my mind. We're going to do one more point. This came to me as I was sharing this. We're going to add a point 4 to this episode. And point 4 is that trust takes courage, not perfection. You don't ever have to be perfect in anything that you do. You just have to give everything you do your best. You got to be confident and you got to be bold. The 4th step, stop waiting until you feel perfect to trust again. You don't have to wait for that. There is no such thing as trusting without risk. Everything involves risk. To start a business, to get into a relationship, to get into a partnership, friendship, lovers, marriage, it all takes risk. There's no such thing as loving without vulnerability. Trust doesn't take perfection. It takes courage. Every time you choose to open your heart again, every time you choose to believe the best, every time you choose to move forward, you're proving you're stronger than that thing that broke you. That's right. You're stronger than what broke you. And that thing that broke you, if you learn from it, you're going to become better than you've ever been. You'll never make those mistakes again because it hurts so bad. You don't want to repeat that. You can do it, but slow down and take your time. And finally, guys, you can love again. That's my final thought. You can love again. Listen, heartbreak hurts, but it's not the end of your story. You're not damaged goods. You're never too broken for love. You're not too wounded to trust and to be trusted. Yes, your heart has cracks, but that is where the light gets in. You can love again, but not like before. This time, you're stronger and you're clearer. Don't stop believing. Pick yourself up, take your time, move slow, understand that you're worth it, understand that you deserve better, understand that God didn't just want you to have life, but He wants you to have life even more abundantly. Understand that, and then slowly begin your journey. You can trust again. And guys, that's my nugget for how to rebuild trust after the heartbreak. If this hit you, drop a comment below that says, yes, I'm ready to trust again. And share this video with someone who's rebuilding themselves from the inside out. Again, my name is KD3. Thank you for tuning into my channel where we unveil truth to the nation, where we exchange beauty for ashes, where we say so, be so. Come on, y'all, let's go.